My name is Ricky Berthium. I'm studying the Cabinetmaking program at Hennepin Technical College. I actually heard about the program because it's sort of known almost internationally. So the way the class is kind of set up is that you have 3 or 4 different classes or through the semester, like finishing, fabrication of certain materials, power tool operation, and then as you go, you're doing all these projects and it's bringing all the elements together. Our first easier, like beginner project was like a little toolbox. And then we moved into, we made a full nightstand out of oak. We made a mirror. So then we went through and we finished all these projects too as practice for our finished class. And then finally we do like a kitchen or like a bathroom sink type vanity. And then finally a corner cabinet. And that's kind of like my masterpiece so far. Yeah, because I'm actually commuting kind of a long distance, about 45-minute commute. So I feel like when I'm here, I want to make the most of my time. I do a class from 7 to 1, and then 1 to 6, I'm doing work study. And I'm part of the student experience team. We try to improve the experience for all students in the school. We provide coffee. There's popcorn at times, hot water for tea and stuff like that. And then we also run a food pantry, and that provides free food to community members, students, and faculty. It's been a very popular program, especially with food prices the way they've been going these days. And my job is to manage those areas. It's a nice environment, and I actually enjoy it because I get to meet everyone, get to know a lot of different people, both students and faculty. And I'm also, this year, I'm part of Student Senate. It feels like it's been a long time, but it really wasn't too long. My experience has been very positive. I like the teachers here. I like the staff. The students, most people are very friendly. It may be kind of a smaller college in a way, but what we do here, we do it really well. I'd say definitely consider it. It's a great school to come to, and I've really enjoyed my time here, and you'll get a lot out of it. You'll learn a lot, and you'll have a lot of support here.